Alright, so here we have a new artist. Her name is Bastardilla. Well, she's from Bogota. She's a graffiti artist. And so far she has been doing graffiti like for more than 5 years. With her, we have a really good example about digital text because she has a blog which is bastardilla.org. So this is like the main screen. Then it takes us to let's say like a menu which is organized by, let's say, pictures. And yes, so on every link we will find 3 main elements, which are the graffiti, like the main work of art, pictures about the context she was doing the work, could be, well, countries such as Italy, Belgium, Bolivia, Argentina, or just different cities around the world. What happened always, these pictures will show us like the context, what usually people does in these communities, in the local communities, or just how she can make a relation between the graffiti and the community. Okay. Another element really important in this blog is literature, because most of the times she's always trying to relate literature, the community, and the graffiti. So, for example, here we have a really good example. This was in Bolivia. So once we click on any picture, it take us to the main work. Sometimes she posts some videos about the whole experience. And for example, as we can see in this graffiti, there are very common elements from Bolivian culture. And then we have like the pictures that show us something about the country or the community. Here we have women like who are getting done their hair. Then the city, and then in the next part we have like a text. I already told you, like, can be poetry, literature from her favorite writers, or in this case like just, let's say, experiences from the locals. For example, here we have Yola Mamani, and it says: este editorial se lo dedico a mi mamá, quien me enseñó tantas cosas de la vida y lo sigue haciendo hasta ahora. Seguro muchos recordarán junto conmigo lo que algún momento aprendieron de sus mamás para ser mejores personas. ¿Sabían que el cepillado del cabello y el trenzado es todo un ritual para las mujeres de pollera? Bueno, es un ritual para mi madre y para muchas otras mujeres, pero también hay otros significados. This is just like a part of the whole thing, the whole text. But basically, I mean, if we take a look of the reason why she's getting together all these 3 aspects, basically it's because okay, later on we will hear like an audio from this artist in which she explains us why she chose graffiti as the way she expressed her ideas. And basically when we see in this blog how these 3 elements converge, is basically the way she uses to maybe explain or express the sense of cultural literacy she has, and which is based on graffiti, right? So, well, for example, in the next part we have this new job. This was in Ciudad Bolivar, and as we can see, is everything always she's trying to represent like the community, right? So here we have pictures. For example, this one was in Leticia in Amazonas, and it is called Balsa de Doña Betty. So, well, always there's gonna be like a relationship between culture, context, and what she wants to express. This is very common. This is here in Bogota. It is called comets. And for example, here we have a video. Let's look at it. Alright, so now we're gonna listen like some of the reasons, let's say, why she choose graffiti as the way to express her cultural literacy in this case.
Vamos a hacer, no me parecían tan atractivos. Desde niña, desde que tenía conciencia, una cosa y como decir, no, yo quiero ser pintora o soy pintora y voy a hacer eso cuando sea grande y desde ahora. Pero yo dibujaba en papel o dibujaba en una tabla o en cosas así y me parecía como que era súper aburrido, como que no había una motivación, pues ni siquiera el dibujar me parecía como ya la satisfacción, sino que yo decía, ok, esto se hace y ahora qué vamos a hacer con este dibujo. Se regala, se regala que la pongan en una sala, o como que no me parecía tan interesante. Entonces la cosa ahí con el graffiti, como ese momento afortunado como de decir, no, pues puede ser más bien por este lado y no mural, que siento que es como toda la complicación y como un poco es demasiado formal, como pedir un permiso, tener mucho dinero para los materiales, entonces con las complicidades adecuadas con personas que hacían graffiti, empecé a andar con ellos y me di cuenta pues como que en realidad era mucho más interesante o también sobre todo como más satisfactorio poder